farmers and enthusiasts. Today we are going to explore the basics of how tractors work, essential for farm and harvest operation. Let's dive in. Tractors are powerful machines designed to perform a variety of tasks on the farm. They work on a simple principle. The engine provides power to the transmission, which then transfers that power to the wheels. Tractors have a wide range of attachments and implements, such as plows, harrows, and steers, allowing them to perform tasks like tilling, planting, and cultivating. Additionally, tractors have hydraulic systems that enable them to operate tools and equipment like loaders, mowers with ease and precision. At YUFAN, we understand the importance of reliable and efficient tractors for your farming needs. Our range of tractors is designed to deliver optimal performance, productivity, and durability.